What's up everyone? The Honest Review Hub here. Today we're diving into the world of mini PCs for gaming. For years, high-end gaming meant big, bulky towers. But now, compact machines are delivering serious power in tiny packages. We've spent weeks testing the latest mini PCs, pushing them with AAA games and analyzing thermals, noise and user experience. After all that, we've narrowed it down to our top 5 picks for the best gaming mini PCs you can buy right now. Let's break down the contenders and see which tiny powerhouse is right for you. And as usual, links to all these products will be in the description below. First up, the Intel NUC12 Enthusiast, also known as Serpent Canyon, packs serious gaming power into a tiny chassis. With Intel Arc graphics and a 12th Gen Core i7, it delivers smooth 1080p and even 1440p gaming. Our tests showed high frame rates and quiet, efficient cooling. The NUC12 Enthusiast is perfect for gamers who want a clean, minimal setup without sacrificing power. Next up, the Minisforum HX99G delivers unbeatable gaming performance for your dollar. With a Ryzen 9 CPU and Radeon graphics, it handles demanding games smoothly, even at high settings. If you want top-tier frame rates and a compact, sturdy build, the HX99G is the smart pick for budget-conscious gamers. Now for the high-end, the Corsair One i300. This compact tower features a desktop-grade Core i9 and RTX 3080 Ti, all liquid-cooled in a stunning aluminum chassis. It crushes 4K gaming and ray tracing, staying quiet thanks to its custom convection-assisted cooling. Our reviewers found it handled even Cyberpunk 2077 with path tracing at smooth frame rates. The Corsair One is for those who want top-tier performance and design, and are willing to pay for it. It's not cheap, but it's unmatched in power and elegance for its size. If you want the best, this is it. The Corsair One i300 proves you don't need a massive tower for elite gaming. Want desktop-level power and upgradability? Check out the MSI Meg Trident X. It's slim like a console but uses standard components so you can swap out the GPU or PSU down the line. Our teardown showed a smart layout fitting high-end CPUs and full-length GPUs in a 10-liter chassis. Performance matches full-size towers, with strong results in 1440p and 4K gaming. MSI's silent storm cooling keeps temps low and noise reasonable. For gamers who want a small footprint without giving up customization, the Trident X is a practical, powerful choice. It's the best of both worlds for enthusiasts. For those on a budget, the Asus ROG Strix GL10 delivers reliable gaming without breaking the bank. It's a compact tower with mid-range Ryzen CPUs and RTX 3050 or 3060 GPUs, perfect for smooth 1080p gaming. Our test showed consistent 60+ FPS in esports and demanding titles at high settings. The design is gamer-friendly, with RGB accents and solid thermal management. It's not a 4K powerhouse, but it nails the essentials for new PC gamers or students. The GL10 is a hassle-free, affordable entry point from a trusted brand. For balanced performance and value, it's an easy recommendation. That's our roundup of the best mini PCs for gaming right now. From the compact Intel NUC to the value-packed Minisforum, the luxury Corsair One, the upgradable Trident X, and the balanced Asus GL10, there's something for every gamer and budget. Which one caught your eye? Let us know in the comments. If you found this helpful, hit subscribe for more expert tech reviews. Thanks for watching. I'm Kalanga, and I'll see you in the next one.